You are killing me. Just open it. I want to see
What?
what's inside.
You said to rip the paper?
No, that.
Wow.
Just open it.
I don't know how to do this, baby.
I need to get more presents.
Throw away any bowls we gotta keep.
Nope, there's one down there. Okay, got that one. This one's not doing it.
Don't worry about it. You just see what's inside. Fine, I don't want to know what's in it.
What?
Fine, I don't want to know what's in it.
Yeah? Stripey.
What?
It's stripey.
You can't open it all the way.
Huh?
This belongs to you, Ever, not to me.
Yeah, I told you Ew.
It's alive.
It is.
Didn't we say no alive gifts?
Don't. I know you're
What?
gonna do.
What am I going to do?
Brrr.
Brr. Pet it? Come on, pet it. Go ahead. Why not? Why?
You're making bite me.
Oh, will it? Oh. Does, What is it?
It's a dog.
Oh, not that. A hat. That'd be good for walking up the canyon. Thank you, Louise.